Ito yung conference room namin. Maluwang ito, maluwang. Uy, halika na. Ano ka?
Nagawa natin parang kilala yung matuhod.
Yung mga
Pwede ba tumalo na kaya ano ha?
tatakal sa dance floor.
Kakaya, magpapalit ka naman.
Please remain standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem. Para ng pagkakaisa, igniting Rizalian path to a perfect national union. Your inspirational address and exceptional leadership have enriched this gathering, igniting a deeper dedication among the delegates to embody the ideals of Dr. Jose P. Rizal in promoting patriotism, unity, and nation building. With heartfelt gratitude, we honor your unwavering commitment to the Rizalian mission. Given this day,
Sa music, kung na, nakatawag doon. Kapela. Kinapusin po sa
Kaya pa. Kaya nga ginagawa natin. Kasi nga, memory natin. Oo nga.
Saan ba yung nanunukso sa akin, sir? Nandiyan ba yung nanunukso sa akin?
Ha?
Yung nanunukso sa akin, wala ba dyan?
Wala pa yan.
His heroism on these grounds serves as a beacon of hope and inspiration, reminding us all to stand tall in the face of adversity and defend what is rightfully ours. Let us remember the bravery, the indomitable will, the heroic spirit of Lapu-Lapu, imbibed and showing as Bumbuanos, as Cebuanos.
Just as our ancestors fought bravely.
Tapos, meron pa tayong engineer mamaya sa Lapu-Lapu. sa amin. Pag event namin, pinupo namin na listed ako $500. Just to document lang dyan. Yeah. Excuse me. May available rin kami ng mga events.
Thank you, bro.
Viewers, sir?
Yan, views kayo. Yan.
Kape?
Kami, sir.
Yeah. Kape. Kape. Yan ako po, nagbigay siya. Sinabi mong overflowing.
Overflowing yan eh.
Their active involvement in the various activity of the order, all of which services were rendered and done in the manner of the true reasons, selfless and dedicated, thereby bring honor to the Knights of Rizal and contributing immensely to the attainment of its lofty goals, and for the greater glory of this country and of the society. Indeed, their worthy deeds and notable accomplishments present them as an epitome of Rizalian values of excellence, integrity, selflessness, and innovation towards ushering the Philippines into wide road of progress. In fitting review, grateful recognition and appreciation of their exemplary efforts to pursue the vision and imbibe the values of the Knights of Rizal enshrined in its charter and bylaws. This degree is given, conferred the 7th day of February 2025 during the conduct of the 24th Knights of Rizal International Assembly held at the Waterfront Cebu City Hotel and Casino, Lau, Cebu City, Philippines. Signed, Sir Raimundo A. Del Rosario, KGCR Supreme Commander, attested, Sir Joel B. Tuplano, KGOR Supreme Consul.
Baliktad.
Sirs, you are very excited. We are not done yet. Because we have a mandatory that I have to do by the Supreme Commander. Sirs, with the power vested upon me as a Supreme Commander of the Order of the Knights of Rizal, I'm giving you the highest rank, the Knight's rank, which is the Knight's Grand Cross of Rizal. I now confer you the honor, the highest degree, sir. Congratulations. Congratulations.